Ah, the Citroën 2CV. A car that has captured the hearts of generations. Originally released in the 1940s, this quirky little French car became a symbol of simplicity and practicality. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën has reimagined the iconic 2CV for a new era, blending retro charm with modern features. So, what's new with the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic? Let's take a closer look. First off, the design. The 2025 2CV Classic stays true to its roots. The round headlights, that unmistakable corrugated steel body, and the signature duck shape are all there. But Citroën has refined the details. The 2CV Classic now features LED headlights, a sleek, modern grille, and a more polished finish while still maintaining that rustic, minimalist vibe. And let's not forget those iconic fabric-covered roof panels, perfect for that open-air experience. Under the hood, the 2025 model is powered by an all-electric drivetrain. Say goodbye to the old 2CV's modest two-cylinder engine and hello to a smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly ride. With a 50 kilowatt-hour battery, the 2025 2CV offers a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. This makes it a practical option for city commutes, road trips, or just a weekend cruise in the countryside. Step inside, and you'll notice that while the 2CV Classic keeps things simple, it's far from basic. The cabin has been updated with sustainable materials and features a minimalist dashboard. The iconic two-tone seats are now upholstered in eco-friendly fabrics, and there's a new digital touchscreen that blends seamlessly into the retro dashboard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both available, making this a perfect balance of vintage aesthetics and modern convenience. Now, how does it drive? With its lightweight build and low center of gravity, the 2025 2CV remains fun and nimble on the road. It's not about speed or power here, it's about the experience. The electric motor delivers enough torque for easy acceleration, and the suspension is as soft as ever, keeping that floating-on-air feel that made the original 2CV so special. Whether you're cruising around town or taking the scenic route, driving this car is a joy. So, is the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic worth the hype? Absolutely. Citroën has done a fantastic job of staying true to the original while incorporating just the right amount of modern technology. It's a car that feels nostalgic but doesn't leave you feeling like you're stuck in the past. Plus, the all-electric engine makes it a perfect fit for today's eco-conscious world. If you're a fan of the original 2CV or just looking for something unique, the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic is definitely worth considering. It's a charming little car that combines timeless appeal with future-ready tech. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you drive the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic? Thanks for watching.